Today's topic is one that I super duper love, and it's something I like to focus on a lot, and that is very inexpensive, affordable makeup, skincare products. I guess you could call them drugstore products, although some of the ones that I'm gonna mention today are not exactly always drugstore. You can find them at Amazon or on Ulta. I'm gonna focus on 5 of my favorite skincare products, and they're all under $10. So I feel like this is a very important subject for a lot of people that just don't wanna spend a ton of money on their skincare products. And honestly, you can get some really effective products for under $10. Now, do keep in mind that these are specific to me and some of my needs as a 40-plus-year-old woman. I have normal to dry skin, and I don't have very many skin issues, so do keep that in mind when I'm sharing some of these products with you, because, you know, skincare is not a one-size-fits-all, but you might find that some of these 5 products would actually benefit you even if you are a normal to oily person, or maybe have a little bit of sensitive skin. Some of these would work for you, but do keep in mind that whenever you're watching a YouTube video and someone is explaining to you some products that work for them, it's not always a one-size-fits-all. But let's go ahead and get started with my top 5 skincare products under $10 for today. So the first one is not really a skincare product per se, it's more of like a skincare tool. And so it's this little guy right here. This is a silicone face scrubber. Now I own a plethora of these. I buy them from Amazon. You can get them in packs of 2 and 4, I believe. A pack of 2 of these is only $4.99 on Amazon. So what you use this for is you can put your face cleanser on this, and you can use it in the shower. You can use them, you know, at your sink. You just put your face skincare cleanser on it, and then you just scrub your face, and then it helps with foaming. It helps to really get in deep to the pores. I just find that it's better and more effective than using your bare fingers. And if you can't afford something, you know, super expensive like a Clarisonic to get in deep and invigorate that skin, these little silicone face scrubbers are awesome, and they're easy to clean. They last forever, but I literally have them scattered about my bathroom everywhere, and I just love them. So $4.99 for a pack of 2. They're just a really great way to wash your face. Second product is one of my favorites. I have been using this for years. This is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. Now, if you wear a ton of eye makeup like I do, you need something that's going to be super duper effective and that you don't have to tug on your eyelids a lot in order to get your eye makeup off. I mean, I wear eyebrow products, I wear eyelid primers, mascaras, false eyelashes. This Neutrogena stuff will take all of it off. I will just put it on just a cotton ball or a cotton round and put it on my eyelid, rub it around, and it will take off everything lickety split. You don't have to work hard. You don't have to tug on your eye bed, which we all know is a no-no. And it just works better than pretty much anything that I've ever used. I know that there is a Lancome one out there, the Bifacil eye makeup remover, I believe, but it's pretty expensive. It's like 20 bucks. This is, you can find it between $5 and $8. This is just as effective. You get a lot of product in it, and it's just really, really great for removing all of your eye makeup. Third product for today. This is the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula in the scent Rose Petal. Now, when I looked up the price of this, I have also been using this for years. As a makeup artist, I have to deal with a lot of skin types, tones, issues with different types of people. And so this I have found is really good for all skin types. It's good for dry, it's good for oily, it's good for sensitive. It's a really great all-around facial toner that everybody can use and benefit from. So this one, the Big Daddy, is 12 ounces. This is actually pretty much $10.95 across the board, I found when I was looking online. So it's about 95 cents above my $10 price tag. But you can get the 3-ounce version for $3.99 on Amazon, Ulta, and that sort of thing if you just want to try it out first. But like I said, I have been using this for years, and so this toner is what you use after you've cleansed your face, but before you moisturize. And a toner basically, of course, I'm not an esthetician, so I had to look this up. But what a toner does is it tones and moisturizes, and you use it as a second step after cleansing. So it hydrates the skin and prepares it to absorb treatments that follow. But it's really good for every skin type, so I think it's wonderful. It's always been one of my go-tos, and it comes in this handy little sprayer. My fourth product under $10 is this Eucerin Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. So like I said before, I have normal to dry skin. It's going very dry here in the wintertime. Being a more mature woman over 40, it definitely is starting to dehydrate as I get older. I got this recommendation from a friend of mine on Instagram, Kirsten from the Beauty Blogger. Go check her out on Instagram. She is wonderful. She is another fellow makeup artist and beauty blogger and over 40 gal, but she recommended this to me on Instagram, so I ordered it immediately from Amazon. It was only $9 and it gets almost a 5-star rating with over 5,000 reviews. So I was like, yes, please, I will go ahead and try this. And as you can see, it is time for me to buy more. It is already empty. I used this morning and night. I have loved it. It was a great recommendation on her part. And so one thing that I was interested about this Eucerin product, I had heard of the Eucerin brand, but I had never heard of the Q10 ingredients. So I looked that up, of course. And so just to give you a little backdrop of what CoQ10 does, I looked this up on birdie.com, which is one of my favorite beauty websites if you've never checked them out as well. And apparently it is a hero ingredient that is used in a lot of Japanese beauty for years. And so the active ingredient is it's an antioxidant, and the main benefits are is it evens skin tone, reduces sun damage, and improves skin hydration, which is really what I use it most for. It doesn't really have any known interactions, so it's pretty gentle for most skin. It said on the website that really everybody can use CoQ10 except for people with vitiligo. So it's a really great product. I mean, for $9 for a really awesome moisturizer, I will definitely be repurchasing this moisturizer again and again. All right, last but not least, this is the Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm. It's a very long name. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. So I believe that pawpaw is short for papaya fruit. But what this does is you can use it for your lips, your skin, your hair, your beauty finishing, and your cuticles. Fragrance-free and cruelty-free and vegan. So this, it is fragrance-free, which is great. So I've actually found my boys using this for their dry lips during the winter time. But it kind of reminds me of Aquaphor almost, if you want to compare it to something, but it's clear. It's just a very multi-purpose balm. I will use this with my makeup clients. I always prep everybody's lips because they tend to be flaky and not hydrated enough. And there's nothing worse than putting lipstick on dry, flaky lips. So I will take a little bit of this Dr. Paw Paw, and I usually take these little hygiene wands, they're mascara wands actually, and I will put it on the wand, and then I will just rub it over my client's lips and my own, and it gets the lips invigorated, it exfoliates them nicely, it feels really good, gets the blood circulating, so your lips are nice and plump and hydrated. So these little things with the Paw Paw are really awesome. I also will just keep it by my desk, and I'll put it in the little nooks and crannies of my hands that tend to get really dry. So it's just really an awesome all-purpose product, and you can find this on Ulta, which is where I got it, and it's only $8. It contains, like I said, the papaya fruit, aloe vera, and olive oil. So all really awesome hydrating ingredients, but love this stuff if you need a good, just kind of multi-purpose balm that hydrates anything on your body. All right, y'all, so that is it for my top 5 skincare products under $10 for today. I hope that this was very helpful and useful. Maybe you got some great product ideas of something that you wanna go try out for your own skincare. And if you do try any of these 5 products that I mentioned, I would love to hear about them. Mention them in the comments below, which one you tried and if you liked it, or even if you didn't, I'm okay to hear that too. And I'm hoping that down the road, if this gets a great reaction and everyone loves hearing about these under $10 products, I'm thinking about doing one more makeup related, because obviously there are so many great products out there that are under $10 that are very budget friendly for all of us that I feel like I want to share with you guys. So until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would be so honored if you would hit that subscriber button, and go follow me on Instagram and Pinterest and Facebook, all those good places. I'm at Jenny Sue Makeup on all of them. So I will see y'all on the next video. Bye. Okay, how long was that?
11 minutes.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And I paused, so you can cut all that pause time out.
Yeah.
Are you laughing at my bangs?
No.
Oh, okay, good.
No.
Do you think anybody will notice that I got like 3 inches cut off my hair from the last video?
I don't think you can count on that. I don't know.
I'm just wondering if anybody will notice.
Maybe.
I mean, 3 inches is a lot.
Yeah.
I forgot to look at that camera.
You always do. That's okay.
Hi. Yeah, I will.
All right. Good job.
Okay.